My name is Devashkar Chandrakar.
I am Shlok Thanekar.
I am Kartik Borade.
All are from 8E, Sumala Ramdasar, Nagpur. My theme is infrastructure. As the global warming increases all over the world, the main factor of the global warming is air pollution. So me and my friends make a project on that is CO2 compressor. I will explain the diagram first. In diagram, there is a air sucker that will suck the carbon dioxide and soot particles, and then it go into the CO2 compressor. It will compress it. After that, due to the battery, it will work. The CO2 compressor motor will work. The metal pipe is there. Through the metal pipe, our CO2 will store in the metal tank. Now, for further requirement, I will call my friend Shlok.
The work of the project is to the utilization of the air pollutants like carbon dioxide and soot particles. This is a carbon dioxide compressor which compresses like carbon dioxide, soot and other air pollutants. The major factor for the global warming and the air pollution is the vehicles. So for this solution we have finded a solution that this compressor will fit it on near the silencer of the car, so it will process nicely. Then the carbon and other air pollutants, if we do the proper utilization of, there will be, we can make a very beneficial products by it. To know about more advantages of this project, I am calling Kartik Borade.
Now I am going to explain the advantages of the CO2 compressor. The advantages of the project of CO2 compressor are perfectly utilization of carbon dioxide to keep best solution to environmental balance and useful for decreasing health hazard. The air pollution level may decrease and made affordable and efficient.
This project is applicable in all the four ways like cars and also roadways.
65% of the patients are suffering from asthma in Delhi and other airborne diseases too. This solution is more effective. This project will keep a proper environmental balance and good health to all.
By your like and support, the project will achieve success in future.
Thank you.